I will describe Holy Family in one word as sisters or sisterhood.
The future starts here. At Holy Family, we are dedicated to provide education that will inspire curiosity and build the next generation of leaders.
So take this as the opportunity to discover your potential. Follow the journey of excellence. Trabajo, fe y amor. Work, faith, and love with simplicity and humility.
One word to describe Holy Family, nurturing. Kasi dito ako nag-start na mag-perform. I was able to share my talents here, singing and both in creative.
And then why did I choose kami? Kasi maraming co-curricular activities. Example, like ito, yung volleyball. And then, hindi lang siya nakafocus sa ACADS. Meron pang math club, maraming activities, dancing, ganyan. So, mapapractice mo kung paano ka maging isang athlete and student.
As a family, we deeply value love, work, and faith. Who understands this the best? Certainly, us familians who have been involved with this family for years, embodied love through many ways, in our work and especially in our faith.
Why? Kasi nakikita ko yung hard work ng mga students during the events, tsaka nagugustuhan ko yung mga apples.
Unity po.
Why?
Because when we are united, there is always better collaboration and we do things efficiently. When we do things efficiently, our works are precise and creative. So in the Holy Family School of Quezon City community, there is unity.
Dynamic.
Why ate?
Because Holy Family always has something new prepared for us to explore.
Unity.
Why po?
Because here at Holy Family, we all live in one heart and one soul.
So, what are you waiting for? Stop dreaming about tomorrow and start building it today. Holy Family School of Quezon City welcomes you. Educating minds and nurturing souls. Work, faith, and love are foundation of success.